What's up, guys? How are ya?
Hello. My name is Julia, and this is my friend Rauno.
I'm not Rauno. I thought I'm Ben.
Okay, Ben Rauno.
Yeah, I got a lot of names. We love skateboarding. We run the skateboarding school here in Tartu, Estonia, and we really want to head over to Palestine. Palestine has so many youngsters, and it's not like any other country. They cannot just go play basketball, go swimming. They don't have that many things to do. And now we have Skateball, Charles, who's organizing skateboarding over there. They're building skate parks, they're donating skateboarding equipment, and we really want to be part of it.
So me and Rauno plan to head out to Palestine in May, and we would really appreciate if you could donate some money to us, which will go towards our flights and our accommodation there.
Please help us, guys. Really want to go.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.